Hi, I'm Kevin from Stream Cars and welcome to my digital forecourt. Today's offering is this gleaming Bentley GT Mulliner edition. It's finished in Beluga black with the black wheels. Obviously they can be changed to your colour preference if you wish to have them repainted. Walking around the car you can see that we've had it professionally detailed and it is really shiny. Let's approach it at the rear here, open the boot. Inside the car it comes with the Bentley Auto Glim kit for keeping it clean and an extra litre of oil. It has a soft close boot function. Let's come around the side of the car now. You'll see it really is a very nice clean car. Obviously being black it does show minor imperfections, but that's only natural. I'll show you the interior of the car. Oh, just under the bonnet actually first of all. The bonnet has been left open. I wanted to show you under here. You can see the engine bay is as clean as the exterior of the car itself. It has a full Bentley service history. It's just come back from Pangbourne, having had its latest service, and everything is in order with the car. Inside it has the combination of ivory with the cross-stitch seats, obviously electric and heated. These are heated and cooled. It's got the latest steering wheel, the piano black inlays, and it has as an extra specification the TV and reverse camera. All in all, I think you'll agree, a stunning example. I'm not in any hurry to sell this one. I'm happy to look at it all the time that it's on the forecourt. But if you'd like to come and see it, call Kevin at Stream Cars or look at it on our website www.streamcars.co.uk. Thanks for watching.